The fleecing of America. Tax cheaters. They steal billions from the U.S. Treasury, and guess who pays the bill?
From NBC News World Headquarters in New York, this is NBC Nightly News with Tom Brokaw.
Oh, the fleecing of America. It isn't every day that the people who break the tax laws are invited to spend time with the people who write those laws. But today, Congress asked some of America's prominent tax cheats to reveal their schemes so you don't end up footing the bill in the future. More now from NBC's Lisa Myers.
This orthopedic surgeon who once advised the U.S. Olympic team, now serving 18 months in prison for a tax avoidance scheme he claims an advisor told him was legal.
13 armed Kevlar-vested agents raided my offices and my home, forced the door open on my 16-year-old daughter, and went through all my belongings.
Today on Capitol Hill, Dr. Dan Bullock warned other frustrated taxpayers not to fall for the hottest new scheme to cheat on taxes. Secret offshore bank accounts, now costing the government billions.
The total amount of revenue lost could be as high as $70 billion. And that, of course, has to be made up by honest taxpayers.
The scheme works this way. You set up a sham company in a tax haven like the Cayman Islands where you can hide your identity, then transfer money into a bank account. You get a credit or debit card, which you use to spend money without leaving a paper trail for the IRS. Hundreds of internet sites like this make it easy to get such anonymous offshore credit cards. The IRS estimates 2 million taxpayers have them. Many are doctors, lawyers, and businessmen who resent that the super rich are escaping taxes.
It appears that the big guys are getting away with murder. And so the little people, the middle-class people, feel that there's this conspiracy of privilege.
The IRS is cracking down, forcing credit card companies to supply information on offshore credit cards. Still, tax lawyers say many Americans no longer fear the IRS and are willing to play audit roulette because the chance of being audited is so low.
The audit rate overall is close to 0.5%. And in upper income taxpayers, it's something a little bit more than 1%.
Adding to the injustice, a new government report finds that many average families pay too much in taxes. Millions of taxpayers could save more than $400 a year simply by itemizing deductions, an honest way to cut your tax bill.